Let me show you how to achieve this soft glam makeup look. Literally, it took me 10 minutes, so let's go. I'm gonna get some lip oil on my lips to get out of the way. And first, I'm gonna go with the concealer. I'm using it as foundation. This has been my new favorite thing to do. It looks like skin and it's amazing. The next thing I'm gonna do is use my concealer to highlight. And I go in the T-zone and I just blend it out with this brush I got off Amazon. I can link it down below for you. After I blend that out nicely, I'm going to go in with a lighter shade of concealer just to brighten that under eye some more. So I just want to get it at the front of the under eye and I just blend it out with the same brush. Girl, listen, let's brighten up the eye even more. I went to do that even lighter concealer. You can skip this step if you think this is too bright for you. Now I'm going to go in and set using a beauty sponge and I go right in with the powder and baking and setting at the same time. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in using this powder palette and I'm just getting the powder on my forehead, my cheeks, and then as bronzer, I'm using powder bronzer, this color here, and I did it on my cheeks and on my forehead as well. I use this other shade to contour the sides of my nose and I make sure everything is blended real nicely. Then I'm gonna wipe away the bake. I'm gonna get some highlighter down the bridge of my nose. Then I go in with my pink blush. I love this. Get it right there beside the eye, making sure everything is blended together nicely. To get rid of that powder effect, I'm gonna spray setting spray, and there we have it. Voila! I hope this helps. Bye.